Hey bass fans, look at the Lake of the Ozarks. Water temperature's 85 degrees today. It's Thursday, 6:30 in the morning. I got my #1 sponsor, partner over here today, so maybe I can catch them. I went out yesterday and didn't do very well, but hopefully make up for it today. We got 2 sticks in the water. So stay tuned. Dave Holbrook Fishing. We'll see how they go on the end. Must have been a bite.
Feel like it was?
Yeah, you pulled my panties down.
Oh, really?
Baby, reel. You got him?
I think so.
Keep reeling, baby, keep reeling. So ain't jump. Come on, baby, that's a good one. Try to get us off of this dock. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that.
He's coming in his boat.
You don't need me, do you?
He's coming in his boat, whether he wanted to or not.
Gotta get off of this dock. Hold that fish. Hold that fish, baby.
Oh, hold on, baby. Hold on.
This way, there you go. Let me get off the dock here. He bit me, didn't he? Good job, my baby dog. Gotta get off this dock. Everyone's pushing me right there.
Don't let him die.
I'm coming.
Don't let him die.
Boat can hold itself at that point.
Did you take it? Picture?
Yeah, I can get this out of his mouth. Oh, that was a little snake bait, wasn't it?
Let me get it. I know what it is.
Let me get the tail here. Good job, my
It's
love.
bleeding bad, baby.
Is it?
Yeah, bad on your boat.
Hang it over the side. You dropped it.
I did. Did we get a picture?
Yeah.
Shit. I had another one. I had him all the way to the boat.
I can work the camera and all that stuff. I can't do nothing after it's gone.
Well, I wasn't 100% sure. But I was.
Get after it.
I was. After a little bit, I was.
You're crazy.
I like this fishing guy.
They don't want anything to do with that.
Baby, I got a fish. I got a fish.
Oh, God,
It's a
don't.
big
Wait,
one.
It's a big one. Hang on. Now, don't reel anymore. Don't reel anymore. Good fish. Hold still, baby. Hold still. That's a good one, baby.
Don't let me lose
Look
it.
at that.
Don't let me lose it.
Is it on? Yeah, it's on now. Hold it up. Push it toward that way. Good job, baby dog. Good job. Now you gotta release it slowly.
I know how to do it. Bye, baby. Bye. What's that? Look at you. Hello.
Is that how it's done? good one. That's a good one, feels like anyway. Yeah. Man, that was a good fish. Did you see it pull? Yeah, there you go. Just came on. I guess that's the difference, jet ski versus CD.
Jet ski's tiny.
Was what them small ones were, I bet.
Yeah, that's what it said it on the jet ski. It said it right on it. Probably the difference. I'll never be on another one.
I bet Todd doesn't either.
Jenna said he's got a long ways to go to recover.
Really?
That's what she said. She said he got out of the hospital yesterday, but he's got a long recovery ahead of him.
Wonder what he does for a living.
I don't know, but I got a fish, but I don't know.
Bring him. Come on, baby. Come on. I'm coming to you. He's under the dock. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. You got him. You got him. Get him out there. Get him out there. He's a big one. Keep him down. Keep him down. Oh my God. There you go. You reeled him all the way to the head. Hold him real
Wait,
quick.
I need my left hand. I need my left hand. Let me get it. Don't let go of him until I got it.
Grip him tight.
I got it. I know how to do it once you get it.
Let me get all this stuff out of the way.
Can you get my phone right there and take a good picture?
You got him? Can you see yourself?
Right there.
You do this toward that. Good job, baby doll. Let me get the thing done. I'll tell you when. All right, you ready? Push him toward the camera. Put it down. Your face is missing. Now hold him with one hand like that. There you go. Hang on, let me see. Don't turn him loose yet.
You gonna measure? It's the best I've ever done.
That's good. He's almost got a limit.
He went out of the dock too, and I still got him. Yeah, I've learned now how to get him down. There you go. You got it. You got it. Okay, you got it.
Jen's Guide Service at your service.
Then you tortured him enough.
Hang on. Is this on? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Lost friends, young, watch good ones fade. Makes you think twice about the choices you've made. So I live full speed, but I live it right. I've learned damn well you don't get rewrites. I'm making the most of the time I've got, 'cause the clock keeps ticking no matter what. Yeah, the good days fly and the hard ones hit, but I ain't wasting one damn bit. If the road runs short, then I'll run fast. If the years go quick, I'll make them last. I ain't built to break or sit and ride. I'm making the most of the time.
Alright, bass fans. My sponsor over here, Jenna, killed them today. So, let's see, I caught 4 fish, probably 1 keeper. I lost 2 good ones. Mine all came on a wacky rig. Green pumpkin, watermelon candy, wacky rig. And my partner's come over here on a Ned rig head with a little 5-inch swim tail. She caught 3 keepers maybe.
Got 3 in the boat, all 4, got 3 in.
So there you go. She smoked me today, baby. Smoked me today. Thanks for watching Dave Holbrook Fishing.